All right, next question. What have we
Tanya,
got going on? Yeah,
how you doing? You hear me? You can hear me?
yeah, I can hear you, Master. What's going on?
Yeah. What about in international markets? Does business brokerage exist? Just curious.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
And one of our instructors for M&A Source, he lives in Singapore, and he teaches M&A at universities in Singapore. He's been there
Okay.
for a number of years. And so, but he's coming, actually, he'll be instructing a couple of courses for us on May 22nd at the M&A Source conference, or just before the conference in Orlando. So, and he'll be doing courses on basically on financial modeling to determine the highest reasonable price that you can price a business at, where it would basically support, where the cash flow and all of that will support your debt service, right? And
Okay.
so he goes into a little bit of structuring there, structuring your regular bank debt versus like mezzanine debt versus equity that you might have or be giving to a private equity firm and all of that. And so it just goes through different leverage buyouts and things of that nature. So it should be a very
Okay.
interesting course. The morning, it's going to be a 2-part course, but you can take one or the other or both. And the morning is the theory behind the models and the Excel spreadsheets and all of that. And then in the afternoon, everybody's going to have to have their laptop with them. They're actually going to be doing case studies and working through different scenarios. So it should be a really interesting course.